So one of the first things you need to make sure that you're doing is being super clear on what it is that you want. With clarity comes power. So if you're not clear on exactly what it is that you're trying to create or do or have, you're not going to get it. So instead of just saying, I want a successful business, you need to be clear about that. What does that look like? I want to serve 1,000 clients and make a profit of $100,000, for example, by this specific date. So be clear, what is it that you want and by when do you want it? And how is that really going to happen, right? So one of the first things that I did when I was starting this company, man, this was crazy. You should listen to the podcast on the She's Making an Impact podcast, by the way, with Catherine Zinkina. I can't remember what episode it is. But in that episode, we talked about being clear on what it is that you want. And when you're clear on it, just things start to fall in place. So I remember it was like our 4th month in business, maybe. It was the month of December. So we started in August. In December, I remember writing down that our business made $10,000 the month of December. And I didn't know how the heck that was going to happen. I was like, this would be really freaking cool if, like, let's make this happen. And that month we had our first $10,000 month. So be clear on what it is that you're trying to create would be step 1.